Alright y'all, what's up? It's Ozzy from Ozzy's Music Academy coming at you with another tutorial. These tutorials right now, I'm going to hit you with some guitar chords, just basic, what they call cowboy chords on the guitar. This is where you can set your fingers in a unique position to play a specific chord that the song calls for. The first chord that I want to start with today is a G major chord. In G major, what we're going to do is we're going to be setting 3 fingers down, our pinky finger, our middle finger, and our first finger, okay? So take a look at the breakdown view that I've got, where you're going to put your pinky finger on the 3rd fret, 1st string. It's going to be my purple string on the 3rd fret, that's our first dot. I'm going to take my index finger, and I'm going to put that on the 5th string in the 2nd fret. So 2nd fret, 5th string, that's my yellow string. And then the last one, our middle finger, we're going to set on the 3rd fret, 6th string at the top. That's like my pinkish red string. Okay, so pinky is on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Index is on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Middle finger is on the 3rd fret, 6th string. So 6th string, 3rd fret. So if this is ever, any of that was too fast, you got to back it up and just try and get one finger here where it's supposed to go and pause it. Pinky finger, 3rd fret, 1st string. Pause. Till you get that. Good. Restart it. You're going to place your index finger 2nd fret, 5th string. Pause till you get your fingers in place. Take a look. Then we're going to do middle finger 3rd fret, 6th string at the top. Pause it. Make sure you get it. Some people use that ring finger there. It's tough. I like to just use a pinky there. This is our G chord. Some strumming practice. You can always check out my strumming tutorial video. I'll tell you how to do some strumming. So that's a G chord. Back it up, like, subscribe, comment if there was any hard parts. Tell me what else you need. Again, this is Oz at Ozzy's Music Academy. Keep playing music. A world with more music sounds beautiful. Peace. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, send this to friends, check out my Facebook page, Instagram, and Patreon. Thanks for joining. Peace.